Hello everybody, I have this dishwasher for 18 years and leakage happens. So I put it in the air and observe that some drops were here going down from this hose, but the reason was on the other side. This ventile, and this ventile has rubber sealing which is going to this plastic part, and this O-ring became hard and starts to leak water. So for repair it's necessary to turn this ventile this way to the right and then carefully remove it and change this small O-ring, and it resolved my problem with water leaking error, which can cause further damage, rust and so on. So it's easy to repair this problem.